welcome here to another video. I'm taking you on a day out with me. We're going to Blanchardstown Shopping Centre. Just a shopping centre, but you might know where that is if you're local. We're just heading to basically browse around some shops like HomeSense, TK Maxx, DFS, just places like that because we love interior shops. So I just thought I would bring you along with us and yeah, basically just spend the day with me. So let's go and do some browsing. We're here. They have all their Easter things in and it's so cute. He's cute. I like him. That's cute, isn't it? Oh my god. I love him. Look at these. It is wobbly, but it's for the garden. I love these. Look at the size of them. That's cute. The best part of any HomeSense.
I don't know how.
You do?
How do you? That's what I want. We left
Chair?
alone in for an hour, I think.
We'll sit down there. Go on.
I want to sit there.
Give us some peace.
Hopping.
Let me browse. Oh, they're cute. Yeah. I like that poof.
What?
The grey and white. Do you like it?
Some of the down tumble.
It's nice, isn't it? We're in this discount chemist shop and they have all stuff discounted and it's absolutely huge. We are at Krispy Kreme donuts because they're the best donuts ever. We're just gonna get some donuts. I'm gonna get a coffee and then we're gonna go back to TK Maxx and some other shops because we've only literally been to HomeSense. So let's get some donuts.
Yeah, so I'll help you there.
Yep.
Coffee's on the way.
Yep.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Here's your last.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ah, Jace, come on now. Oh, yes. Pick one, the rest is mine. Aaron decided that he doesn't have to park up in an actual spot, so we're just parallel parked in the middle. I'm just taking a picture for the thumbnail. Right. That was the picture?
What's my thumbnail?
Yeah, okay, we got it.
Did you make sure I get me nail on?
Guys, I have a question. Are you an original glazed person or do you like the flavoured ones? Because I think the original glazed ones are the best ones. What do you think? What do you think?
You messed that and you can't get walking on.
I didn't. Nothing fell. They're just so soft and spongy. I'm not gonna be eating donuts. I already inhaled the first one. Didn't you? Aaron doesn't like to be in vlogs anymore. Is this why? Because you're just stuffing your face with donuts? I couldn't live around here because I'd be here every time. I bought some cards in Home Sense, just like birthday cards. I think their cards are really cute. And I bought 2 mugs. Do you know those double wall glasses? There we go. Them. You slow down there, love. Excuse me.
Over to you.
Don't drive off though. You like doing that when you're when he's finished with food. He's like, "That's it, we're going." And here I am, like holding on to everything. Oh shh. Remember the last video when I talked about hot coffee? This is like next level hot. I hope you're enjoying this portion of the video. Is it bad that I'm eating 2 donuts? God, I'm only thinking of that now. I haven't really eaten breakfast, okay? It's 5 to 4. I want to go to TK Maxx and see if they have those 0 sugar coffee syrups. See, this is why you should be in the video, because they can see all your reactions and he's like, speak up, you can talk.
Said that earlier.
Yep. See if I get hungry.
See, you went in the same lane as we did.
Yeah, because they have the road signs like showing where to go for the drive-thru.
There's another one.
There's another one going, and then like there's nobody there, and you, and another one. It's a mess. So confusing, right? I'm gonna close this. We had 2 donuts each, and now it's time to shop. No. I'm really nervous at vlogging in public, so I'm not gonna vlog myself, okay? chairs?
This.
This chair?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll allow you to have that one.
Yeah, really. Let me paperwork. Fuck all paperwork done this. Like,
You'll be asleep.
like watching telly.
You wouldn't watch telly in that. No, I don't think so. Not in lunch now. I don't think so.
We were the last time. We were.
Aaron got a bottle. Show him.
A jug and a half.
A jug and a half. He's jealous of my bottle. Aren't you? Totally jealous.
See if this works now. I'll drink more water.
Yeah. It wouldn't be Ireland if it wasn't lashing at least 5 minutes of the day. Ah! Wagamama's. I would love to go to Wagamama's. You don't like. They do! Do you know what they do? They do chicken katsu curry, and that's literally a curry. And it's like breaded chicken on rice. It's gorgeous. You wouldn't need anything else.
Where are we
They
going?
have Elephant and Castle. Oh my god, we're going there. Yeah, that way. We're heading to DFS. The main reason why we actually came to Blanchestown, because I wanted to see. I went to TK Maxx, right? And they don't do the coffee syrups anymore. Shocker is right. Like they all that what? They don't do the coffee, nothing. I was very sad. But yeah, it's lashing rain now. We're going to go to DFS and then find somewhere to eat, and I think I found it. Sorry Aaron, but I think I found it.
Yeah, we're not getting a big one, see you later.
No, but there's Elephant and Castle. Remember, that's what we had. A big burger that you had in the hotel we stayed in. Look at that mirror.
Get that one, yeah.
They're not for sale.
Everything's
But
for
imagine having this mirror. I can do it. I'm gonna do another. This is a better outfit of today. I'm wearing this jacket from H&M, and I'm gonna link it in the description. I only bought it recently. Then I'm wearing just a Zara top, leggings, and my Uggs. But I really like it. I don't like that sofa. No, I really don't like it. Yeah, great. No, 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 no. They're so angry looking and structured. Yeah, I believe it. I'm gonna go and pick mine. Okay, see ya. Yeah, come on. This is the kind of sofa I like. See, because I really want that corner. See.
Cracking in.
Yeah. What's it called? Long Beach. It's called Long Beach. Yeah. 2579. I need to sit down. I want to sit down in the corner. Oh yeah. This one's even nicer, guys. So comfortable. I like it. I like it a lot. I want to see. Oh, it's very low though.
It's hard to get out of.
Yeah.
But then again, you don't want to be getting out. When you get into it, you don't want to be getting out.
I like the little chairs though. The roundy ones. This is Aaron's kind of shop. We go to one of my shops and then we come to one of Aaron's shops. Aaron really wants to get a car share. So car share, if you're watching, can you please sponsor me? So Aaron can get a car share. Then I'm going to be the best girlfriend in the world. What do you think? Just in the car. We had some food at Captain America's. I can't remember the last time I was there, but it was nice. we're on the way home. I'm not sure what you can see because it's dark, obviously. It's not even focusing. But yeah, we're on the way home. We were just saying, because a song came on and Aaron goes, oh, that's that song that played in TK Maxx. And in TK Maxx there was a song was on, and there was like 3 different women singing it from like different parts of the store, and it was so funny because they were literally like a little choir. But yeah, we're on the way home. We're not going to do anything else today. Just chill before work tomorrow. But I'm not actually sure what I vlogged, and I don't know what's going to come out of this. But I hope you enjoyed it anyways. I'm actually still going to show you when I get home what I got. Yeah, I'll do that and then I'll end the vlog there. So we are home now. I'm not going to talk too loud, but we're home, and I just thought I'd show you really quickly what I bought. I didn't get a lot at all, but that wasn't the point of us going. We just kind of basically wanted to look around. First of all, tuck crackers that are paprika, because that just sounds amazing. Then I got this as a Flora, which is winter spice. I haven't smelt it yet, but I'd say it smells really, really good. I love anything winter scented. Then I got the pink stuff, just to clean my bathroom with it. I haven't tried this before. I know everybody raves about it, so I just got that to try out. I then got 3 cards. I love cards from HomeSense or TK Maxx, so this is the first one. Then I got a card from my mum, I won't show you. And then I got this card as well. Happy birthday. I thought it was really cute. So yeah, got cards, and the last thing that I got was these 2 mugs. I love that they're double walled. I already have some of these at home, but I thought I would get more. And I don't have this shape, so this is what it looks like. How cool is that? I can't wait to drink coffee out of these, honestly. And then I just got some coffee for the house, because that's the ones that we use at home. But yeah, that's everything. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm not sure what footage I got exactly, and if it was interesting or not, but I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. I'm in work tomorrow, so I'm going to do my skincare, have a shower, and just chill for the rest of the evening. But yeah, I hope you have a great day whenever you're watching this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!